generational wealth with crypto. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Now, the information you're going to learn on this webinar, of course, is not an investment advice, not a financial advice. There are always high risk associated with crypto assets and NFT markets, so everyone should make their own decisions when it comes to taking advantage of the information that we have going on here. Now, with all the risks disclaimer here, this is also the opportunity of a lifetime, because trading and crypto has made a lot of people millionaires. This is one of those industries where really this type of volatility and growth happening. So you don't want to miss the cycle, because crypto is entering this biggest super cycle ever. Now, recently, on the 19th of April, a phenomenon that is called the Bitcoin halving took place, which only happens once every 4 years, guys. Once every 4 years. Now, the very first time Bitcoin halved its rewards for the miners, it happened in 2012, and you've seen the growth phase following 2013, 2014. Now, in 2016, it happened. You see 2016 and 17 were crazy years for the growth of the Bitcoin price. 2020, halving happened. Now you see the growth. Now we are entering into the next phase of this super cycle right now. The price of Bitcoin has historically risen in the years after halving, because less of the supply is able to be produced in the market, 2 times less, while the demand goes bigger. And why the demand goes bigger? There's a huge power of the ETF. On the 11th of January this year, something huge unleashed into the crypto universe. This is the first product, Bitcoin spot ETF, that was approved by the USA government. And now also China and also Hong Kong approved their own Bitcoin spot ETF. Do you think other countries will follow? On this chart on the top, you're seeing what happened to the gold ETF when this financial product has started trading and being accessible to the regular users and of course institutions around the world through the traditional financial finance systems. Now you can see the price of gold skyrocketed after that. This is what the experts also predict was going to happen to Bitcoin after the launch of the Bitcoin ETF, which we already have seen. Why now? The biggest banks and funds are entering crypto. MicroStrategy, for example, is holding over $7 billion of Bitcoin and keeps buying it. We're seeing the big companies like BlackRock, which has more than $10 trillion in assets under management, and is actually right now is being entering into the Bitcoin spot ETF, which holds more than $15 billion in total gains right now. So the world's largest pension funds exploring Bitcoin as an investment, and this is just the start. Now the China goes all in big on Bitcoin. Hong Kong approved the Bitcoin spot ETF. We're going to see Bitcoin rise a lot. Introducing FunUP, the AI trading and big data crypto super app that is capable of analyzing more than 2.6 million gigabytes of data every single day. This type of a data that artificial intelligence is utilizing includes the social media, the Twitter, the Telegrams, all kinds of sentiments around that, the market, reliable sources for what's happening on the exchanges, the volume, the trade, everything is being analyzed and put into the neural link and machine learning, getting it better and better and better. With time, it improves and improves and improves, because this is the power of artificial intelligence crypto trading, fully automated on your own exchange when you hold your own money. Now, if you want to learn more about trading, there is going to be also a professional education available with full academy, top educators, live Zoom sessions, videos, everything that you need to know about trading in crypto. If you want to get yourself into it, you're going to get the education. Okay. Also professional signals and all of that. News, alerts, newsletter, AI research, airdrops. It's going to be massive. Now, most people are still interested in automation. They want to just automate this whole process. They want to have somebody else is doing the trading for them. Now, the FunUP platform preview, the most powerful all-in-one crypto app. This is how it's going to look like. The dashboard, you can see the total balance, your 24-hour portfolio change, your total profit, your market sentiment, all of these things. AI trading tools, copy trading for those who want also copy trading, market signals, market analysis, news and articles, academy, portfolio tracker, and more and more. Now, when it comes to the safety of your funds, all the funds are held at a separated Binance account, created dedicated for you and connected to the AI strategy. So this is in totally your control. FunUP has your funds safety as its top priority. So all the funds and the withdrawal of it is only in your control. This is the Binance account that you have done KYC on your own face and your own passport. Okay, so they have partnered with Binance as a member of Binance Broker Link. They have the whole liquidity and infrastructure of the Binance and the deep liquidity pools of Binance to allow the trading. So this is very exciting. FunUP team does not have access to your funds. They can only trade it. They can only take their profits, what is set up of the profits themselves, but the whole amount of profits and withdrawals and the full capital is in total your control. Now, when it comes to the performance history, we've seen for the last 18 months using this artificial intelligence strategy, FunUP has 87% winning trades with 16% monthly profits on average, making it beating the market for Bitcoin. Now, for the last 18 months, Bitcoin resulted in about 251% in a profit, and FunUP AI strategy is 324%, making it much bigger. Now, when you start to learn more details about the strategy of trading of FunUP, you're gonna start to fall in love with it more and more and more. Now, when it comes to the viewing, the real data connected to the Binance exchange on one of the institutional clients that they are able to share with us, this is a real-time performance. What you're seeing right here, initial deposits is $10 million. And right now, it is growing to current balance of $42,873,000 with the total performance to date 328.74%. Now, you can see on this chart that you can see starting from the 2nd of October 2022 with $10 million in a balance. Not every day was a day of winning. Some days were in a profit, some days were in a loss. It is normal. Now you can see the every single day what was the profits and the loss. You know, the losses are usually like below 1% profits. You know, sometimes the days for 2, 3, 4%. I see this 4%, 5% here also. Okay, the biggest loss that I've seen in the last 18 months, the biggest loss was around like 4%. Here on this day was -4%. Okay, -4%. But look at the size of the portfolio, the kind of strategies implemented, the kind of risk protection, the kind of stop losses, and all of this they implemented the strategy is very, very good trading, very, very good trading. So 328% performance up to date. The strategy that they use is with no leverage. So it is futures, but with no leverage. So what does it mean, futures with no leverage? It means the leverage is set to 1. Okay. What does it mean leverage 1 is no leverage? So what it gives the opportunity. So first of all, they only trade on the Bitcoin market. Why they trade only on the Bitcoin market? Because when it comes to billions of dollars of trading, the only coin that is capable to support this kind of trading activity is Bitcoin, okay? Is the most liquid asset in the entire market. So they only trade Bitcoin dollars. Now, why they chose futures with no leverage? Because if you trade spot Bitcoin, the only way that you're going to profit from this is to buy Bitcoin and sell it higher. You buy lower and sell it higher. That's how spot trading is working. But what if Bitcoin is going down? What if artificial intelligence algorithm is showing that Bitcoin is going down? Which of course, Bitcoin is not going up all the time. It's going up and going down. It's the volatility of the market. With the futures, you can actually go long and you can go short. Okay, so you can go long and you can go short. Now, when you go long, then you benefit from that the Bitcoin price goes up. When you go short, you benefit when Bitcoin price goes down. So regardless of the market, if it goes up or if it goes down, they can be in profit. Now, trading is being done every single day. The trading are being closed every single day, and the profits you get every single day. So they're not leaving the trades open for multiple days or for multiple months. This is not a swing trading. This is a daily trading. Every single day, they get into the market. Every single day, they get out of the market, okay? Every single day, okay? So this is the strategy. Now, we're going to learn a little bit more about the strategy as we continue our webinar right now. So you can follow up yourself at app.finup.ai about this $10 million institutional clients. Now, they also have more than this. They have hundreds of millions of dollars of institutional clients that they are trading with as well. So one of the members, this is the early vision the team revealed. One of the team members, the technical advisors, is no other than Jay Howe. Jay Howe is the ex-OKX CEO, and the OKX is the fourth exchange by rank with over $2 billion in the 24-hour trading volume. Now, he is a veteran in the space that is connected to a lot of funds and is an advisor to many projects with trillions of dollars being traded. So we are connecting with the best in the industry. They are very, very bright people that are working on this project to allow it to happen, okay? Now, when it comes to the FunUP membership, here is the membership and how it works. So for those who are just beginning, there is a starter package. This is just a starter, $100. And what it allows you to do is the maximum deposit of $500, and that's all. And the profit split fee is 50%. So 50% you keep, 50% goes to the profit split. Now the next one grows for $500. You already can have $2,500, which is the profit split of 45%, which means you keep 55% of the capital, 55% of every single trade. Now the split fee is taken, and I'll show you an example how it works. It's taken every single day. Every single time the trade is closed, the profit split fee is taken. You keep 55%, they keep 40%. Now, if you get the pro one, the pro membership for $1,500, you already can maximum deposit $10,000 and keep 60% of the capital. Also, Academy is being opened up for you as well. Now, for the elite package, the $5,000 annual membership, annual fee. This is the $25,000 maximum deposit with a split fee of 65%. So you keep 65% to you, 35% goes out. Now the premium, and you're gonna see exactly how it's been also used. Now the premium, $15,000, it gives you $100,000 with keeping 70% of the money. And the 30,000 Supreme one gives you unlimited maximum deposit, and the profit split is still 30%. So you can even put 1 million, 2 million, whatever you want. Now, during the special pre-launch phase, which is right now, during the special pre-launch phase, there is a special promotion going on, which I'll show you in a moment how it works. And with the special promotion, you can actually pay 3 times less money. You can actually pay 3 times less money. So to get the membership of $1,500, you only need to pay $500, and that's it. It's 3 times less during the pre-launch phase, which is a very, very time limited offer. The 5K membership, you can get it for $1,500. The 15,000 membership, you can get it for $5,000, and the 30,000 membership, you can get it for $15,000. And for those who get the $30,000 membership, they're going to get a lifetime membership access. So they don't need to renew. They get it every single day. Now, we're going to go through all the numbers and exactly how all of this works in just a moment. I'm going to demonstrate to you exactly the numbers and how it is profitable. Now, let's keep it going. Now, FunUP just partnered with Mavi Global. Now, Mavi Global is building a large community of Web3 community where the members are profiting for projects in the crypto space to allow them to earn passive income in this space and grow their wealth. So one of the partners is now FunUP. Now, why is it good for FunUP? Because Mavi Global has the capacity to bring more than $1 billion in the next 6 months. We're going to do $1 billion in connected assets in the next 6 months. So this is a good deal for FunUP. And this is a good deal for Mavi because now with this forced partnership coming into play, the Mavi members are able to get access to this incredible technology. Now, when it comes to the membership, annual membership, you can see the maximum deposit and the license fee. The higher the annual membership you have, the more the maximum deposit you can start with, growing and compounding your account. I'm going to show you the power of compounding is amazing. So when you have, let's say, $10,000 maximum deposit, this account can grow into millions of dollars with compounding in a couple of years. So what they introduced for the first time ever in the history is a trading binary. So there is an additional binary that is being added on top of the regular binary, which give you a trading binary of up to 5%. So this means that you can now profit from actually the trading profit of your entire team, of your entire organization. So this is for the first time ever. So let me give you an example. The first ever company with 2 binaries. So how this works, the trading performance binary. So let's say you have $100 million in total deposits in your structure. If the monthly profit is 10% during this month, so that means all the members of your team, they got $10 million in a profits. Now, this $10 million in a profits, 10% of that is actually being shared with the Mavi community. So additional extra $1 million is shared, which goes this $1 million into your trading volume, into your network, into your binary. So what does it mean? This extra $1 million, if you have a 5% binary, then you'll get $50,000 in that month. If you have a 4% binary, you'll get a $40,000 in this month. So of course, in this scenario, you want to have the highest membership, the 30,000, to keep the $50,000 USDT coming in 1 month. But during this special time, during this special pre-launch, you actually can get a double trading binary. You get a double trading binary, meaning instead of 1%, you can get 2%. Instead of 2%, you get 4%. Instead of 3%, 6%. Instead of 4%, 80%. And instead of 5%, 10%. So during this time, before it launches on the 18th of June, you get a special opportunity to get a double the binary bonus, than the people that were going to get it later. This is due to the pre-launch promotion. A saying thank you for believing in the team. Before everything goes live for the retail traders, before they prepare all the tutorials, all the connections, how to connect your Binance account, everything like that, you get to earn double the binary bonus. But that's not all. Let's continue. We have the weekly cap. The higher the membership you have, the more you can earn every single week from the trading binary. Okay. So you can get up to $250,000 per week, which is $1 million per month from the trading binary. This is unheard of. This is something, this technology that this implemented in this way is absolutely phenomenal when it comes to also this institutional grade artificial intelligence. Okay. So how the compensation plan works. There are 70% payouts going to everyone. In order to get all the bonuses, you need to have the membership, and you need to have the back office subscription. Now there is six. Back office subscription is just $49, by the way. It's very cheap. So there are six bonuses: direct bonus, momentum bonus, team bonus, matching bonus, rank rewards, and trading binary bonus. So the first bonus is direct bonus, paying you instantly 7%. Whenever you refer somebody, they buy the membership and you get 7% of that. Now, the momentum bonus is 50%. So you get back 50% of your membership value. All you need to have is sponsor 5 direct members with the same or higher membership with 30 days of registration. The third bonus is the team bonus. You get a 10% weaker team. So on this membership binary volume, this is the first binary, right? $150,000, let's say on the left, in your entire team that sold the membership, and 80,000 on the right. So you have 10% of that is 8,000 USDT you are going to get. Now there is a matching bonus starting with diamond rank that you also get 5% matching bonus of your team up to 7 generations in uni level, and starting from sapphire. So it goes here as your team grows, your rank grows, and you start to earn also the cash prizes. It starts with $500 cash prize, it's going to 1,000, 1,500, 3,000, 10,000, 15,000, 30,000, 90,000. I'm very close to receiving already $150,000 bonus as my next rank. And the biggest rank is the billionaire, which gives you $25 million USDT. Imagine clicking a button on your back office and receiving $25 million into your wallet. This is very, very cool. Now, this is the first time, once again, this company is the first company, first time in the history of affiliate marketing that you get paid by 2 binaries. So there is the one binary for the purchase membership. This goes to the BV, the business volume. Okay, so you build the team on the left, you build the team on the right, and you earn the 10% binary. Now, the other binary is the trading volume. So every single time a profit is being closed, it goes to the network as a trading volume, and you get paid on it as well as a trading binary. Now, there is also 70, 20, 10% split. So 70% goes into your cash account, instantly withdrawable in USDT. 20% goes into your club account, which can be used to buy the membership or to buy any other products of Mavi Global ecosystem. And 10% goes to the ULX, which is the coin of the Ultron blockchain, which is the partnership, the first partnership of Mavi Global. So now let's go deeper into this promotion for the very limited time. And this promotion is extended until May 5, until May of 5 of midnight UTC time. You can get more for your money. So you can get a higher membership by paying 3 times cheaper the price. So if you want to start with maximum deposit $10,000, you just need a $500 membership, the license. If you want to start with higher amounts, up to 25,000, now you can top up. You can start with lower amount. You can top up until 25,000 maximum. You need the $1,500 membership. If you want to trade with more money, if you want to deposit 30, 40, 50, 60, $100,000, you need the $5,000 license. It's going to pay off. So let me give you an example, okay? Let's say that you get this membership of $1,500 and you start with $25,000 deposit. Now, average on the past 18 months was 16%. If we take the 16% average and we multiply by the 65% that you get to keep out of this money, that is roughly, let's pull out the calculator. So 65% times 16%, it's 10.4%. Now, if you compound it for 12 months, we're going to get, and you put $25,000, your account is going to grow to $82,000. $82,000. So you start with 25, and it has the potential, based on the past performance and based on these fees, to grow to $82,000. Now, is it worth it to you to pay $1,500 license fee to earn that much money? So if you calculate how much of this is a profit, $82,000 minus your license, minus your starting point. So in this case, divided by 25,000, this is around 220%. So we are talking about 220% in 1 year. Okay, this is phenomenal. This is more than tripling your money, right? This is what it means. Now, you don't have to start with 25K. You can start with 15K, 12K. Like, it's your money. You deposit into your Binance account as much as you want. Okay. So there's just one example. During this pre-launch phase, this is even more profitable. This is even more profitable to get. Okay. Now, once in a lifetime promotion. So to get for 500, you get the 1,500. To summarize, 1,500 annual membership. You get a double the binary 4% and weekly cap $5,000. For the 1,500, you get the $5,000 benefit annual membership and 6% binary and $25,000 per week you can earn from your team from the second binary. The $5,000 will give you a $15,000 annual membership. You can deposit up to $100,000, 8% binary, and weekly cap $100,000. And for the $15,000, which is the one I'm purchasing, it's going to be $30,000 annual membership, unlimited right now during this promotion. It's actually unlimited funds that you can deposit and trade with. The binary is the highest, is 10%, and the weekly cap is $250,000 weekly cap. This is absolutely incredible. Now, let's go over some commonly asked questions about it, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how it all works. Okay, so let's go a little bit deeper into that. The profit split, how the profit split is working. The profit split is working with a system of the high watermark method. So what it means, the high watermark method. Let's say that you started with $10,000 maximum deposit. Okay, you started with $10,000 maximum deposit for your membership, and now it is growing to $11,000. Okay, so your new highest portfolio is $11,000. Now, not every day is a winning day. There are going to be red days as well. So it may go down to 10,500. Okay, so now from this 10,500 until $11,000, the profit split fee is 0, which means that you get 100%. Okay, 100% of the profits you get to keep. This is the fairest and the best way that I've ever seen how the profit split is being taken in such a fair way. Now, every single day a trade is being closed. Okay, until the portfolio gets to the next higher point, you get to keep 100% of the profits. When it goes higher, you split the fee. And this 10% of the profits is going to the trading binary. Okay, so this is absolutely massive, massive concept. Trading occurs daily, enabling profit distributions on a daily basis. So think about, you can get paid on a binary on every single day, passive income from the entire team. You can get profits every single day, but not every day is a profitable day. So sometimes it can also be a negative day, minus 0.5%, minus 1%, whatever. It's normal. It's trading. It's impossible to have every single day a winning day, but that's the reality. Yeah. Now, when it comes to the real-time trading data and past results, can we see trade results of the last 90 days? Will we see the actual trades taken? Yes, but concrete publicly accessible exports will be allowed to share when the compliance departments of all parties confirm the level of access that can be granted. Meanwhile, in real time, API is available. Another question people ask is the expected 16% monthly return before or after deducting the fee. Okay, so it's important first to understand that past data is not a 100% guarantee of future yields. Taking an average of the past 18 months active trading on partner accounts, 16 was the monthly average. This is before deducting the profit fee. Now, how are funds traded? The safe trading setup. What is the trading strategy deployed? How much of the capital is deployed per trade? Is any leverage used? Trading occurs on a future accounts to allow for AI-driven hedging and daily rebalancing. Rebalancing happening every single day. Is zero leverage. Why I like zero leverage? Because it's not possible to wipe out your account. It's not possible. You know, you can have some losses, but it's not possible. You know, it's zero leverage. 1-to-1 futures only. Average 1 trade per day, open and closed. Capital allocation per trade varies based on signal strengths. The full balance is never fully invested. Okay, the risk level is always great. Stop losses are always implemented and positions are rebalanced daily. And maximum account drawdown is set at 15% from maximum account protection. So in any case, in any force majeure, I don't know what happens, there is no more than 15% drawdown ever. Okay, now, what does it all mean? Is that you have the power of artificial intelligence, all of this data, all of this machine learning implemented on a daily basis while you do not touch the trading, you do not touch the graphs, you do not need to see the graphs, you do not need to be stressed about it. You can just focus on your business. Now, your funds are safe, deposit withdrawals, and KYC. After buying the membership, where should I deposit my funds? In the centralized exchange wallet or the FunUP wallet? Funds will be deposited to the segregated account on Binance, created and managed specifically for you. FunUP Binance Partner Link. FunUP will never hold any of your funds and is purely a provider of services and technologies to support the trading education and use of vetted education automation tools. You have total control over your funds at all times. So you want to withdraw everything, you can withdraw everything. As simple as you withdraw from Binance, okay? Will the withdrawals be processed in the real time? How long can it take? FunUP is working on the instant withdrawal solution for your user-supported address. It is expected for your funds to be fully withdrawable within 24 hours. Important, completed KYC is required for withdrawal of the funds. So you must have an account within KYC on Binance, okay? Now, also Bybit is possible, and OKX, they're adding these 2 exchanges for now as well. The start is going to be mainly with the Binance, okay? So it's very important you have a complete KYC there. So maximum deposit and compounding. So how does that work? The maximum deposit is the maximum amount that can be deposited to trading account. You cannot deposit more. So if the maximum deposit is 10,000, you cannot deposit more. Buying multiple membership does not bring stacking to the maximum deposit. It is not helping you to buy multiple membership of the same value. Highest active membership always determines the maximum deposit amount. Now, here is the important part, the compounding. The compounding is possible. By default, compounding is turned on for the maximum performance. Now, what a compounding means, your initial deposit is this. As the account grows, AI uses position sizes based on the current balance, uses compounding effects. So position sizes are always proportional to the balance and strength of the signal. So even if you start with just $10,000 in the account, okay, within a couple of years, you can actually grow it to $3 million, $5 million. Why? Because of the compounding, okay? Because of the compound. If we take about 10% monthly, I mean, look at the calculator. let's open the calculator. $10,000, you start as a balance, as a starting balance, okay? And if we compound it at a 10% monthly average, I'm gonna multiply it by 1.1 Okay, and let's compound it for 36 months. You have $309,000. Let's compound it for another 2 years. One second. Let's do it once again. $10,000 multiplied by 1.1. If you compound it for 5 years, $3 million. $3 million. So you start with 10K. Can you grow it to 3 million? You can in 5 years at this pace. It's crazy, right? So your initial deposit can be compounded, and compound. FunUP membership rules, membership upgrades, and stacking of membership. FunUP doesn't support the membership upgrades. The highest active membership determines the benefit, and there is no membership stacking. Buying multiple membership will not result in the stacking of the benefits. So you want to choose the membership that is right for you. Okay. So FunUP offers annual membership valid for 1 year. Renewal must happen for users to keep using the platform. Members who do not renew their membership will lose access to the tools, but not to their funds. So your funds is your funds. Renewal of the membership does not extend the benefits acquired with previous membership. So each one has its own when it comes to the renewal. Okay. The highest active membership benefits are automatically applied to your account. So, okay. So this is basically what we are talking about here. Now, we have a special promotion. Let me repeat it one more time. We have a special promotion right now. The special promotion allows you to get more for your money. This is a limited time because only until May 5. After that, the price is going to go to normal. So even during this pre-launch phase, you're going to still keep the double binary, but you're not going to get the prices 3 times cheaper. If you want to get the best price, now's the time until May 5 to get it. Okay. Yeah, to keep the best price for this year. Now, I would like to do some Q&A. If you guys have any questions, please raise your hand, and I'm gonna unmute you, and you can ask any question. Okay. So let's do some Q&A. Let me grab the water and my voice is getting a bit dry. Yeah, please raise your hand, and I'm gonna unmute you, and you can ask your questions. So let's see. Yes, Mansa Jamil, my dear partner and friend, how are you? You just saw it live. Everything you saw it live.
Live and direct, man. I'm having a great day, man. Hope everything is well on your side.
Absolutely.
Great presentation. So I just want some clarity. You mentioned something about no stacking, right? So if a person comes in and they spend the 15,000 during the promotion, but then later they want to get the 30,000, how does that work?
So getting the 30,000, for example, will give you the benefits of the 30,000, and the membership of the 15K. That's it. You've used it. It's gonna go for the next 12 months with the highest membership of the 30K.
Okay, so basically it'll convert into the 30K. So in essence, you got 45K in now.
Right. So it's yeah, it's gonna use only the highest one for what is from this day of the upgrade to the next 12 months. It's gonna keep get on this one on the higher one. So
okay, gotcha.
Getting 2 times the same membership doesn't benefit at all. You only want to
get. Okay, so there's never going to be any. It's never going to be any 2 sub accounts. Only 1 sub account, Finance Link, right?
Just one.
Okay. Okay, I'm clear. Okay, so it's best to just get the best seat now.
Exactly. People right now, they think, oh, I'll start testing it. I always can upgrade. And then, listen, you can do
Well,
it,
it
but
says top up. You mentioned top up a couple times, so it's kind of, it doesn't make any good sense to top up if you only can just do it once.
so I'll give you an example. Okay, let's get to this Q&A one more time when it comes to the deposit. Okay, so let's say you have a $10,000 maximum deposit, and you start with $3,000. You can start with 3,000, and it can grow and can grow, and it can grow even to 12,000. But you still deposited only 3,000. You can still add 7,000 more, and you're free to do it at any time, whenever you want. Okay, so the maximum deposit for you to take advantage.
Mhm.
Yeah, but if you buy now the next one, which is 25K maximum deposit, okay, so it will go to 25K maximum deposit. So now you can top up another 15K, right? You can add more money.
I see. I see. Okay. Okay. Great. Great. And so
Yeah.
all that volume still goes into the second binary as well.
Yes. Yes. Now think
Oh,
about somebody that's compound. It starts with 100K and it goes to $2 million, right? Think about how much of the profit is gonna go to the trading volume for you. You know, so
it's gonna be insane.
it's because of the compounding. That's what makes the trading binary so good. That maybe initially you think, oh, it's not that big, but when you start to look at the numbers of 1 year and 2 years and 3 years of compounding, man, this is getting insane because compounding and at this rate of 10%. Now, I, what is cool is like, yeah, maybe in 3 years the bear market is gonna start, but they trade every single day. They put stop losses every single time. They can short the market, so they can profit during the bear market also. Why not?
Right.
If they're gonna
And we're
make,
not even taking in consideration the price of Bitcoin fluctuation as well, because Bitcoin could
don't
could
need to
go up.
worry about the bear market or the bull market because they trade and rebalance every single day. So they take all of this data, all of this learnings, is take everything to consideration. And if the signal says now is a good time to short, they're gonna short. And then they're gonna close it and short again the next day. So basically, we can profit in the bull market, we can profit in the bear market, and this way we can keep on compounding. So let's give
Right.
an example of let's say, where is this membership? So somebody, no, I want to get the other one. Yeah. So let's put in this. Let's say that you have here, you have here you become a crown diamond, right? So I know you're close to that. So let's say that you have your membership.
I'm already a crown diamond.
Yeah, you're already a crown diamond. Yeah. So, double crown diamond, I mean.
All right.
$10 million on the left and $10 million on the right. Yeah. So let's take it this and let's say that this $10 million is memberships. Yep. There's memberships on the left and memberships on the right. Now let's show what kind of income with this a double crown diamond would make. Okay. So
Okay.
$10 million, that means that on average, people are going to deposit between 3 to 5 times the amount. So let's take a look at the 5 times. So this is a $50 million. $50 million total in deposits on the left and $50 million total deposits on the right. Okay. So in this example, there is here. Yeah. Gives me one second.
Hello, Mansa.
Yeah.
Is that Yuri?
Yuri is in the house. Guess what? Tell him what kind of membership you're getting.
30,000.
30,000.
Somebody got doubts about that?
No doubts. No doubts.
I
As
know.
you should, Yuri.
Yes.
Congratulations.
He wants to get to 10 million in total there,
And
right?
I will.
The magic of thinking big, right? That's the book that you 1 billion AUM. But I'll give you an example as a double crown diamond. So let's say as a double crown diamond, you are at this place, $50 million is in deposit. So let's take a look at this. 10% profit of the 50 million, okay, is $5 million, right? $5 million. So $5 million is the profit, and $500,000 is going to the binary.
Binary.
Yeah, to the binary. So 500K going to the binary, and that means let's say you take advantage of the double the binary, so it's 10%. So now you were talking about 10% of that is 50K per month, right? Now that is this month. What if we take this 50K and everybody's gonna compound? Let's say everybody's gonna compound. This is the more extreme example, because not everybody's gonna compound. But let's say everybody's gonna compound. What does it really mean for your monthly residual? Okay, so let's open up this calculator. So 50K, if everybody is compounded, that means that their profits are also going to grow, right? Their profits are going to grow by the compounding, by the 10%, because your account grows. So it makes sense your profits also grow. So if we talk about that, it means your 50K times 1.1 is going to be 55. Then it's going to be 60K per month. Then 66. Then 73. Then 80K. And you have until $1 million per month to compound this. You know?
Oh my God.
So you can get to a point of getting $1 million per month in the trading profits from your team. Now that is the exciting part, you know, the compounding of this one. Everybody compounds, and you compound your binary profits. Yeah, this is getting crazy. Now this is one thing. Now let's talk about the other thing. Let's say you don't, you know, you don't bring nobody else. It's just $10 million and it stays like this. Next year, people are going to renew. People are going to renew because they love the profits. So they're going to renew at least the one, if not more, at least the one they purchased. So if we talk about everyone renews for the next year, that means another $1 million for you. So now we talk about $1 million here, plus we talk about, you know, at least 600 to $1 million in the trading binary. And now we are talking about approximately 1.6 million to $2 million in a year in income as a double crown diamond. Now I know that double crown diamonds don't tend to stay as double crown diamonds. They want to grow to get to the next level. So that's why
we want to reach for that billionaire level.
The billionaire level, exactly. So that means that you know, it's not going to stay like this. It can actually grow as a compounding continues and all of this. You know, it can get to a point of getting $1 million per month. and this is my goal. My goal is to hit the point of earning $1 million per month with this situation here, with this business. Okay.
Wow.
So that's how it's possible.
Now, when you deposit in Binance, are you depositing Bitcoin or are you depositing USDT? And when they close the trade, they're closing the trade. They're selling off the Bitcoin, adding it to your USDT.
No, they're not selling any Bitcoin. They're not selling because it's futures account. The only everything is settled in USDT. There is no
Okay.
physical buying of Bitcoin. It's the speculation of the Bitcoin price. So so basically everything is in USDT. All the profits in USDT. All the deposits, all the profits, everything is in USDT.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vitalik.
Charles, please.
Thank you very much, Vitaly. And my question, maybe you've already answered it. So if you start with the 1500, is this only for 12 months? So let's say the 1500, the special promotion is 5,000. My understanding, is that right?
Yep.
Okay. Now, renewal or to renew, is it going to be just for the first 12 months, or is this still going to be 1500 and the next year it's going to be another 5,000, or just for 12 months?
For right now, the renewal is set for the 5K, okay? Because you get it in a special promotion, but maybe, and it's not promised, maybe on the renewal time there will be some special promotion. But the team said we cannot promise that right now. So so that's right now is the renewal is the normal price, not the promotional price.
So make sure I'm understanding you. So if I start with the 15 and the promo is 5, so when I renew, it's going to be 5,000. That's what I'm understanding, or is it going to be still the 1500 I started with?
5K. It's going to be 5K.
Even though I start with the 15.
Right. Right. This is for the first year promotion. This is for the first year, for the first year special pre-launch price, because after the May 5th, it will already go to 5K. So yeah, this is just for the first couple days, allowing people to take advantage of this special pricing.
So or maybe I'm not understanding. So if I want to stay on the 1500 renewal, let's say next year I want to renew 1500. Okay. Because my understanding is 5,000 is for 12 months. Then after 12 months, it's going to stay on the 1500 for the limit for the 10,000 regular rate. Wouldn't that be the case?
Well, that's actually a good question, because if you deposit 25K and it's gonna grow and grow and grow, yeah, and then you renew with 1500, and now your membership allowing maximum deposit like this. Now how it's gonna affect it, because your membership was set on the 5K, so now you are kind of downgrading the membership, and I'm not sure if it's gonna take your full amount that you are having there. You'll have to start you'll have to take on the funds and start with leave the 10K.
Okay,
maybe like this.
Okay.
If you downgrade, if you don't downgrade, you just continue whatever balance you have there.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Yeah.
great, thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, we have Taurima, please. What is your question? Yes, I did record it. Yes, absolutely. The money you deposit in Binance can be withdrawn anytime you decide to not trade anymore. Yes, it is your money. You can withdraw it at any time. Absolutely. If I buy the 500 trading hub, I can get it upgraded to a 1500 via the Google Forms. Exactly. So you fill up the form, it's going to be upgraded to the 1500. Yes. Can passive members that's not working the business side benefit from the trading hubs? Absolutely, absolutely. That's the whole point. You know, you don't need to refer anyone. So let's say you start with this one. I showed you the example, 25K turning into $82,000. In order to make this money, you didn't need to refer anyone. You know, you didn't need to refer anyone. Just have your money working for you. That's all. Any other questions? Let's see. Yes, Paulo, what's your question? Paulo, you wanna open up your mic? You wanna ask? Please do. Paulo? Hello, hello. I cannot hear you. Okay. Okay, we didn't hear from you. Okay. Any other questions? Can I purchase more than one hub? Yes. So you can purchase more than one hub. The thing is that if you purchase this membership, you know, the only one that makes sense to purchase after is the higher one, either this one or this one or this one, and the lower one kind of get you know, lost in a way. You know, whatever you use, and it starts over with the higher one. So for the next 12 months, you understand? So it's kind of like you upgrade your membership, and now you have more maximum deposit, more money you keep. Yeah. My mic is muted. Let's try it one more time. Paolo Canzani, you can unmute your mic. But I cannot hear you. Cannot hear you, brother. Maybe you can type it in. Yeah, absolutely. I explain everything. If I purchase the 500 package, do I get the 1500 package for 12 months? Yes. By the way, it all starts from the 18th of June. So your membership, even though you buy it today, it all starts from the 18th of June. From 18th of June until 18th of June 25. This is where you're gonna need to renew. So you have a full year until 18th of June 2025 to take advantage of the trading, make profits, build your business if you want to. I'm going to because this is a special product that not been possible before. Yeah, and I'm gonna start demonstrating. You know, every Wednesday I'm gonna start demonstrating exactly how everything works. Promotion was extended to 5 of May. So promotion was extended to 5 of May. You still have time. May 5 is the day. You still have time to inform your people. You still have time to let them buy it cheaper. Okay. I tried, but you need to approve my mic. I don't need to approve your mic. It was open. Question is, do the trading gets done on my Binance account through API keys? Yes, exactly. So you're gonna have your own Binance account, segregated account, sub account, call it like this, a sub account on Binance where trading connected through an API through this AI strategy system that is actually better than the API because it's gonna give like real time, you know, boom, like trades. If I buy the $500 membership, it will be upgraded to the 1500 package for 12 months. When this is due for renewal, how much will it cost to renew it? 500 or now the actual price of 1500? Right now, like I said, for renewal is gonna be whatever the actual price, 1500 is gonna be 1500 for the next year. Yes, Yuri, you can unmute yourself. Let's try it again.
It's not working.
It's working. We can hear you now.
Now you can hear me?
Yes.
You're working hard, brother. This was your 4 webinars. So your wife worry. Let's continue tomorrow.
I did one in Russian. I did one in Hebrew. I did one in
Yeah,
English.
and English. And so that's why I'm just advising everybody, come back to person who invite you, okay? And get more information. And tomorrow we continue. We'll be doing, because of promotion, we will be doing webinar daily, okay? And but now, my opinion, Vitaly did great job, and we need him a little bit relaxed. He don't have dinner yet, okay? And wife concerned. So please.
I had some dinner. Don't worry.
No. Your wife worry, okay? So
how do you purchase the package? Good question. So you need to create an account in Mavi Global. And right here, there is saying here trading hubs. You click on the trading hub and you can choose the membership. Okay. So whatever the membership you choose, it's going to be, you fill up a Google form. We're going to give you a Google form and it's going to be upgraded to the next one. So if you buy the gross one, it's going to give you the pro one. If you buy the pro, it's going to give you the elite. If you buy the elite, it's going to give you the premium. If you buy the premium, it's going to give you the supreme. If you buy supreme, it will be lifetime membership for you. Okay. All right. Cool. You can see this business is quite rewarding. I'm right now at $1.29 million already earned. Is the business today $9,000 today. All right, Erica, yes. You have more questions?
Yeah, good morning, Vitaly. So I just want to really understand the question. If you buy the 1500 today or within the promotion, 12 months from here, you know, I'm going to be upgraded to the 5,000, but 12 months from here, will I need to renew at the 5,000 or at the 1500 that I brought in at?
Right now, again, I said it 3 times that right now,
Sorry.
It is the same. It's gonna be upgraded for the actual price for the next year, the 5,000. If there's gonna be a special promotion for the renewal, I don't know, maybe or maybe not. So we're gonna see. But this is for right now. I cannot promise, they cannot promise that the company is going to agree for this promotion next year for the renewal. So right now, that's what we say is gonna be
All right, get it while it's hot.
the normal price. Yeah.
Yeah, get it while it's hot. All right, love. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is the time to take advantage of this. Yeah. Why pay 3 times more when you can get it right now cheaper?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then who knows what will happen in a year? I mean, who knows? We might be able to have. Well, we will have more money to buy, maybe a $10,000 hub.
Yeah. You already have an account in Mavi?
Uh-huh.
Who is your sponsor?
Bernard.
Okay, very cool, very cool. He was in the event. Yeah.
Oh no, not Bernard, Stelita, but Stelita's not really a builder. So I just go the next person up from her.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Bernard. So I go to Bernard if I need help, or Mansa.
Sure. Mensa, you wanted to say something more?
Hey, really quick, you said something about the withdrawals from your Binance account. And you said the FinUp team was trying to make it quicker, like within 24 hours. Wouldn't that be the Binance team?
Yeah, of course, but they need to make sure that the trading is closed, right? The trading, you know, the trading is going to be closed. All the trades going to be closed.
So the Binance team handles all the trading.
Binance handles all the withdrawals.
Binance handles withdrawals. Yeah.
It's basically like a Binance sub account. So
Wait a minute.
FinUp is handling all the trading through the Binance Partner Link. If you go and study Binance Partner Link and how the program works, it's set up as where the software from FinUp is attached to the Binance sub account.
We have a special
Okay.
guest, by the way, to give you the best answer because he knows everything.
He jumped right in. What's going on, Neo?
That's right. It's Black Diamond over here.
Well, that makes sense. So, yeah, so that makes sense. Okay, so Binance will basically release the funds within 24 hours.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's basically if you're locked into API trade basically in the system, it's not like an API external, it's an internal API. Then you're in trade, but then after the trades are closed and everything is withdrawn, it's in your own account. It's in your own sub account.
Okay, perfect. All right, well, that answers my question.
So if there was any problem ever, FinUp could really never go down because it's a Binance partner link. But if there was ever any issue with it, it falls right back into your own Binance account.
Nice, nice. And you
So
only
FinUp
can have one
has
of these
access.
accounts. Once you get it set up, you can only have one. So, for instance, if I come in with, say, the 15K position, and then next year I want to upgrade to the 30K, do I got to do a KYC all over again, or does it upgrade that particular account?
If it was the same account, you could upgrade the same account as long as the other subscription was finished.
Okay, so once it's finished, all right. All right, cool. Sound good, fellas. I'm ready to get this thing going.
All right, perfect. Well, we need to finish, guys. So thank you so much. For those who still have more questions, please go to the person invited you. Be happy more to answer, guys. I'm gonna close this recording.
Recording stopped.
Everybody, I wish you great success. We have promotion until May of 5. Let's take advantage of this and let's rock and roll. Thank you so much.